Did you know that ants keep insects as livestock? Ants are not just hardworking creatures, they are also expert farmers. Some species have developed a symbiotic relationship with aphids, treating them like livestock. Here's how it works. Ants protect aphids, just like shepherds guarding their sheep. Ants defend aphids from predators such as ladybugs. Milking honeydew. Ants gently stroke the aphids with their antennae to stimulate the production of honeydew, a sugary substance that serves as food for the ants. Mutual benefit. The aphids get protection, while the ants enjoy a steady food source. This remarkable behavior demonstrates the intricate relationships in nature and how even tiny creatures like ants can engage in farming practices similar to humans.